Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Rahim. We are back again with another great, amazing tech video. The video of today is all about tripod. As some of you guys know, we've been making these videos since I remember the third video or fourth I got a tripod. I remember I usually used to have a duct tape with a chair and I keep my phone at the back and record, but those are old days. Since you get to improve here and there, so as you can grab a tripod. But today I have an amazing great and amazing JMARY tripod, professional one. Oof, that's heavy. As you can see guys, this is a professional tripod and it's really remarkable. And this, we're gonna use it on the studio here to shoot all our kind of videos right now because it's gonna be shooting a lot. It's not only a tripod, but it acts as a monopod too. So if you want to remove the legs, you can. Enough of me talking, let us just dive in. But first of all, it goes for up to 180 degrees. Just reading the specs here at the back. And another kind of stuff, you can get a panoramic ball head and get a perfect panoramic image, photo, video. You know what I mean? You can get creative so much using this kind of professional tripod. It's really impressive. Okay, nothing else on the box. You're getting a perfect packaging, which is really impressive. If you're like traveling, go here and there, it's really impressive. Now I'm gonna just see what's back inside because I'm just so pumped. Can you just squeeze the camera at the back? That's much better. Now let's see what's in here. Okay guys, you can see here we kept it. This is our tripod, which is really impressive. We're gonna keep this one aside first and we're gonna twist the legs. And if you release this, you can just release it because it's like a lock. So you just want to get a perfect grip of how much you want it to stay. I want it to stay this way. And this one, the other leg, I want it to stay this way, somewhere here, which is really impressive. And this one too, just clip it and bring it somewhere. So voila, there you go. You're having your tripod steady, which is a professional tripod. So if you want to release things, there's something here, you can release it. But the question comes, if you want to release things, you see this kind of stuff here going up and down. If you want to lock it, you just rotate this kind of stuff here, which is like a volume knob. And why am I calling it a volume knob? Just rotate this kind of stuff here so as you can release it to be having different stance. So it's really impressive. And another kind of stuff, for panning it around for that kind of panoramic shot, you can see how much smooth this thing is. It's really smooth, really dope. So I just wanted to share with you guys something. You can see here we are at the top of this kind of tripod here. You can adjust a lot of things. You can rotate things here and there. As you can see, you can just rotate things, get that kind of panoramic shot perfectly, very smooth. And lock it again just this way also on the end. And you can see here, you can just do this way, but that feels so tight. You can release this thing here. So this kind of stuff here, you can release it so as you can have a smoothness of your shot, just like that. You can see, and there's a mark like a degrees here, like a ruler, so it's really kind of impressive. You can just rotate it, get a perfect shot just like that. And this one is for locking this kind of bad boy here on top. So if you just lock it, you can see right now we cannot move this kind of top level here. And another kind of stuff, there's a water point here to show you how much the level surface you are. So if I just keep it this way, the water ball, it will center itself, but since I just kept it on the table, not stable, it won't do the thing. So you can get bunch of shots using this kind of tripod. Okay guys, as some of you guys know, we usually got a problem of getting a top overhead shot, and from this bad boy you can get it. You just release these kind of legs, rotate them back, release them, rotate them back again, and release it and rotate it back again, just like that. When you're good, keep it on the table, just if it's this way and this way. As you can see, you just make sure that you give a distance. You see, this is the distance you need. After you're done, you can adjust a lot of things here now. Now you can play around locking this first, because I just want it to stay at one angle, and you can adjust the legs too, just this way, so as you can get a little bit, you know, a length of the leg as far as much as you want it to be. So I can get it up to somewhere here if I want to, up to here. It's okay with me. And this one too, I can just adjust it again up to here. Impressive. I can lock this leg. Now a problem comes, I have to remove this kind of speaker. We're going to use it as a demonstration, so I'm going to keep it, the other leg somewhere here, and I'm going to lock it. Just rotate it. You're good. You have locked it. Now this is the moment of whereby you can get your top overhead shot for your product. I say this type of product, but you can see on this leg we're having a problem. That problem means as you can see guys here, you won't see on this angle, but there is a problem. There's a shadow here. Now we need to avoid this shadow. As you can see, let me show you guys. See this shadow here? You have to avoid it at all costs, because that kind of cast of shadow, if you don't avoid it, it will show on the product. So you need your camera to just stay somewhere here and do the thing. Let us just do one thing so some of you guys can see it here. I'm gonna mount this kind of Sony camera here. We usually got a problem in our studio here throughout shooting this kind of top overhead shots. So this kind of tripod, it's really best for it, because you can see how much I'm getting this product. It's just a demonstration. This is a JMARY Clip 3 and it's really kind of awesome. So guys, that's what's up about this video today. This is the tripod of JMARY and it's really kind of impressive. To be honest, on the scale of 10 to 0, this kind of tripod, it's really professional. It's not a joke. It's really the thing, and the dimension wise, it's really tall. It's not short. It goes up to 157 centimeter longer, and it's really far away. To be honest, if I'm gonna measure myself throughout this kind of tripod on my dimension, it's just overtaking me, and it's really kind of great tripod, to be honest, out there. So yeah, that's what's up guys. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this kind of great and amazing video today. Let me know in the comments down below. We could not do the full test of a tripod. Some of you guys know how tripod works, so I thought that let me just show you guys the product, so as you can see it, it's really impressive, so as you can make a decision if you would like to, and it's not that much quite expensive. And yeah, that's what's up guys. I'll be catching you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative. For those guys, and peace.